Our next step is to expand the design of our maze, and I just want to have a look at another couple of things that will really broaden the possibilities for your game. First thing, regularly you should save it. So you need to go File, Save Scene As, and I just use Scene 1. That will save that into your Assets folder. Okay, if you don't do that, your game won't be saved. As simple as that. So save it and then resave quite frequently throughout your work, and that'll make sure everything's saved. Just go save there. So all I've done here is add a few more walls. As you can see down here, I've got 12 at the moment. As I click on them, they'll be highlighted in the preview there. So I've got 12 so far, and if I run my character through, I can just check that everything's okay and there's no gaps in the walls. You can go through okay and have a look at how it's looking. So that's what I've got so far. Next thing is Asset Store. So in my game that I showed you in video 1, there were these 3 Goblin Robbers characters. So just click on Asset Store and do a search for Goblin Robber, and they will come up there as free. So I'm just going to switch to the web view. That's what it looks like. They're quite good characters. Have a look at the reviews and that sort of thing. And what you want to do is open in Unity within the game or within the interface, and that will actually download the characters to your assets folder here. So it'll come up as like a little folder there, and it'll say Goblin Robber, or I think it's CNC. This one is the company. And inside you'll see the prefabs, and you can just drag them onto your screen like we did with the Ethan character, which is built in, and they are pre-rigged and all that sort of things, so they'll walk, and you can get them to do all sorts of things just straight off the bat. So yeah, that's what I've used for assets. We can download heaps of things that are just props and static things, to monsters that move, and you can add sounds and all the rest of it. So I'm just going to leave you at this stage to work on that, to develop it, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to do things like steps, lifts, add scripts, jewels, and all that sort of thing.